Imagine spending 14 years in the US, moving from F1 to OPT to H1B, and still waiting endlessly for your green card. That was Rajavasanth Rajasegar's journey. Arriving in Chicago in 2011 on an F1 visa, he pursued mechanical engineering at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, working as a graduate research and teaching assistant for almost 8 years. Then he spent 5 years at Sandia National Laboratories doing postdoctoral research, building the experience that eventually led him to a tenure-track assistant professor role at Colorado School of Mines in 2024. Even with smooth transitions early on, the H1B visa clock always loomed. Rajavasanth recalled asking his manager in February 2020, "Can we start H1B just in case?" This fear of falling behind in the green card queue is something millions of Indian professionals face. To secure his permanent residency, he chose the EB1A category, reserved for extraordinary ability. The process wasn't without hurdles, and RFE questioned the merit of his work. 2 years of patience, mentorship, and additional documentation later, he finally became a U.S. permanent resident. His story is a reminder that the American dream stays alive, even if delayed. Mentors, institutions, and family support matter. And for Indian students and professionals navigating F1 OPT and H1B timelines, patience, preparation, and perseverance are key. Rajavasanth's 14-year journey shows that despite delays and RFEs, green cards are attainable for extraordinary talent. If you're on the H1B or F1 path in the US, comment below and share your dreams. And subscribe for more real stories of Indians achieving the American dream.